Welcome back, you guys, to SBE Aesthetics. Welcome. So as you can see, you guys are probably like, well, what is going on? So as you guys can see, my hair, you see it? So your girl is going on this lock journey, and so today's topic is going to be about my starter locks. And yeah, you guys are going to go through this journey with me. So I'm doing this will be my third time getting locks, and so the third time is a charm, so I'm going to try to stick with it. Yeah, I just, you know, I like locks. I love locks. Like, they're very convenient. I have a busy life, so you know, it's kind of like throwing in a ponytail and keep on pushing, you know what I mean? So I don't know if y'all can see me or not, but that's kind of how it is for me. So I'm going to take my ponytail down so you guys can see. Now I started with 2-strand twist. So as you guys can see, this is how I'm going to be growing my locks out. Y'all see that? I really like them. I haven't really taken them out in this ponytail in like 2 or 3 days. So let me get closer for you guys so y'all can see. So these are my 2-strand twist starters for my dreads. This was done on dry hair, or sorry, did I say dry? I got my hair washed and stuff, so I went to a professional to do it. I got my hair washed and retwisted, and it looks very healthy. I'm actually pleased on how it looks. I did go in and retwisted some because some were a little thick, so I did retwist some up in the front area, but as you guys can see, yeah, I'm loving them. Like, you know, they ain't even there yet, but I'm loving them. Like, and like I said, now the first 2 times when I got dreads, I did not do them on wet hair. My hair was like blow dried out, and then I started the 2-strand process. But I really love how these look, so I would recommend. I have like 4 type hair, and I would recommend like doing a twist on wet hair, because your hair absorbs that water and it locks. It dries up and locks very tightly. So like, let me show you. Let me get a piece. So you see this right here. Like, this is on, you guys, this is wet hair, bro. Like, this is wet hair, not straight or anything. Let me show you. Wet hair. So any styles I'm doing on SBE Aesthetics channel is gonna be with dreads. So y'all gonna go through this journey with me. I got these dreads, duh, I should have told y'all when I got them done. I got them done on Valentine's Day. Got my dreads put in. I shouldn't say dreads. I got my starter locks. Yeah, they are dreads. Well, they will be. I got my starter locks put in February 14th, okay? And yeah, you know, we going through this journey, because these are not coming out. I ain't taking these out. These here to stay. Okay? These are here to stay. And I just wanted to quickly get on here and show you guys what that looked like. Okay, and so I want to encourage anyone out there that is thinking about getting dreads to do it. I mean, if you are a person that don't really mess with your hair a lot, or even if you do, like, dreads are so versatile. Like, dreads is like straight hair. You can do anything with dreads. You can put it in a ponytail. You can make them curly. You can have a short hairstyle. You can have a long hairstyle. You can have an updo. You can have a backdo. Like, it's like little effort into a beautiful style. That's how I look at it. And your hair just gets healthy. Do treat your hair very well though while you do have dreads. Like, don't let it go so long without you know, moisturizing it or putting product in there. So do treat your dreads. I will be retwisting my own dreads. I probably will, like, if I get tired, I don't feel like doing my hair, go get them done. I probably will go do that. And so I just wanted to come in here, not come in here, you guys, I wanted to come on here and make a video to let y'all know the new stuff. What's going on with SB Aesthetics? What's new? What's popping? Well, y'all see it right here. My hair is what's popping. Literally. So y'all stay tuned. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead, put on my little makeup, and I'm gonna do a couple of styles for you guys. So I'll say I have like what is this? Short medium. I say short medium because it's not long. It's long enough to style. Like, I could put it, y'all saw my ponytail, like I could put it in a ponytail. I could have like bangs and stuff out. Like, I could do all that. So it's like short medium. You can do those things. So yeah, I'm gonna stop chatting and I'm gonna just go ahead and do what I do. I'll show y'all a couple of styles. I don't really know how many I'm gonna do. We'll see. I'll let y'all know, okay, when I get back. Wait a minute. I'll be back. Hey you guys, welcome back. So I'm back. I just quickly did a complete simple makeup look. I mean, it didn't even take 10 minutes, I don't think. My brows took about like 5 or 10 minutes, but my makeup took about like 5 to 8 minutes. So yeah, so let's get started on these styles. So I'm just going to show you some ways to be able to style your starter locks if you are someone who are starting locks, definitely on 2-strand twist hair. So yeah, I want to show you guys how to style if you just get bored with the same style over and over and over again, because I know I do. Also, my twists were twisted clockwise. I did a little bit of research and I heard that a lot of hairstylists twist when they do starter locks and they do twists, they do it clockwise because usually that's the way the natural hair grows due to the curl pattern. So yeah, that's what mine are. I wasn't really used to clockwise. I'm more of a counterclockwise type of person, so I'm just kind of curious to see, you know, how I twist, because I like to go like this, but I'm gonna go like this. Yeah, it's weird. So yeah, I'm gonna get started and I'm just gonna get started on the style. So first style, you're gonna bring all the hair over to one side. You gotta get a little pigtail. Keep some down in the back, like you see. Okay, then we're gonna put a hair tie in, and voila, this is style number 1. Oh, sorry. So yeah, this is a style you can wear like this. Fun, huh? Yeah. So that's number 1. Okay, so let's move on to number 2. So we're gonna part it. Now mind you, I'm trying to get my hair to fall accurately because I did have it in a ponytail, so I got like some twigs and things going on around here. So anyway, we're gonna take this side right here. We're gonna take this side. And again, I left some hair down in the back. I could put it all up in the back, but I just feel like it gives the hair more flavor. So I'm not gonna do that. I probably look like a little kid too, by the way. So I got these 2 bangs out. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, I got like 5 bangs out. I have them going to the side like this. I kind of like this style. I don't know if I look 12. Y'all let me know how old I look. Y'all let me know, because I feel you can have one going like this too. Either way, it don't matter. A style is a style. Okay, moving on. Because we gotta move on. That's style number 2. Woo, my arms hurt, y'all. I was working out. Ciao. So, style number 3 is we're gonna twist. I ain't flat twisting my hair. It's so long. This is style number 3. As soon as I get it to my liking. And I'm just flat twisting, you guys. Nothing perfect or anything. I'm just flat twisting to get everything on one side. And as you see, you do. And so I would put like a bobby pin there if I wanted it to stay put. This is style number 3. Now I'm a little different now, y'all. I'll be doing some weird styles. So I mean, y'all probably like, what the entire road is that? But like I said, if you had a bobby pin right there, you could put one. I don't have a bobby pin on me, but y'all see it. Style number 3. Okay, let's take it down. Take down. It's easy. Bam. Just like that. Just like that. All right. Style number 4. I call this the horn. The horn, baby, because that's exactly what it is. I leave hair out in the back. I like leaving my hair out in the back. I don't know why. So a lot of my styles is gonna have hair out in the back. So just bear with me. This is style number 4, you guys, and you can like play with this as much as you want. But boom, this is style number 4. Like, it don't get no better than this, bro. Like, this is style number 4. This is style number 4, and I'm liking it. This is the bag. Let me turn all the way because I know y'all probably like, you don't even turn around in a bag. This is the bag. Style number 4. Okay, moving on. So we take this right here. Actually, sorry. I'm gonna take this. You see that? And we're gonna put our whole entire hair. Not see that. I don't even know what style this is. So this is style number 5, y'all. This is style number 5. I would probably have to like wrap it up a little, get a bigger one maybe because hair is falling out. My hair is not long enough, as you can see. You see to hold. It can go up, but it curls up. So like this is what it is. So I just put the little hair tie over my head, and yeah, and hair is out in the back as usual. I don't even know. Can y'all see me? Okay. Yeah, y'all. So this is that style. Okay. And there's so many you can do. Last style. This is the last style. These are just the ones I came up with, like in my head, like without even like thinking. So like, so like yeah. So this is it right here, and it's gonna fall like how it looks because I have my hair up in a ponytail. So, but originally it'd probably be like down, yeah. So, but I like this style. If I did wear it down, I would wear it like this. I like it like this. So I guess it is what it is. With that, I'm gonna have to get up to lay. But yeah. Yeah, see it. Just basically the last style is just like any way, however you got your hair shaped, like just kind of loud, you know, like down and loud, like just yeah, like sometimes you just gotta be loud, you know. These are the styles that come in my head, to my head, and yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really, really do. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video. Definitely, if you know someone who is scared to get locks in their hair or they don't really know how to start their locks, I'll be making more videos on different ways people style their locks. Not style their locks, but lock their locks. Or get locks. Yeah. Either way, you'll know. So, yeah. I'm super happy you guys get to go through the journey with me. Y'all get to watch these babies grow, 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 grow. And grow, and grow, and grow, and grow, grow, and grow more. So, if you have any questions, you know what to do. I love you guys. Bye.